Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, air sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini, air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Gemini. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Four of Pentacles with the Star card under the deck. So I think you are holding back. Gemini, you are holding back. And the Star, but one part of you want to move on from this person, but another part of you still want this person back. Still you have hopes on this connection. For some, you are seeing something positive in your life other than this relationship. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Two of Pentacles, Magician and Eight of Cups. As in recent past, you are confused. You have to make some decision. For some, you are confused between head over your heart. Definitely you are juggling between your person and career, your person and family. For some, it could be family issues involved. Definitely you are juggling. And in recent past, you manifested something into your life and the Eight of Cups, but you made a decision that to walk away from this connection. Yes, for some, definitely you decided to walk away. For some, you already did it. Yes. Then present King of Cups, Four of Cups and Page of Wands. Someone coming to offer their cup of love to you. King of Cups, it could be a past person. For some, it could be entirely a new person depending upon your situation. And Four of Cups. Yes, you walked away, but you still feeling missed opportunity with them. You are missing them. But there is some communication is coming. For some, you both have strong soulmate. I think connection with each other, and you both have age differences also between both of you. And one person is very good looking in this connection. Definitely there is some communication and text they're planning. And future, Knight of Swords, King of Wands and Ace of Wands. Definitely they are in rush to communicate with you. Communication is coming, but you are taking your control back. You overcome this pain, that is loneliness, feeling alone. And Ace of Wands. So someone is returning to offer new beginnings, and you are doing your work with a lot of passion. I think you are also still thinking about them. Still there is attraction between both of you, but they are in rush to communicate with you, Gemini. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see their current feelings. Under the deck, Princess of Pentacles. If they hurt you, definitely they want to say apology to you. There is some communication text. So Gemini, their current feelings. Wheel of Fortune. Maybe a person waiting for right time. Definitely they want reconciliation if you are in separation with your person, and they still have hopes on this connection, but there are some trust issues. Maybe they're scared for rejection. Seven of Swords energy is here. Definitely one person is sneaky. Maybe in past they played games with you, but now they scared for rejection, but they want reconciliation with you, and they are thinking about you very positively, Gemini, and they're waiting for right time. Yes, King of Wands, and they are planning to take action also. For some, your person is very dominative. So let's see their intentions. Emperor with Seven of Pentacles. For some, your person have ego problem to make a move towards you. And Five of Cups, definitely for some, definitely your person feeling sad. Yeah, they are realizing that you are their happiness. For some, children's also involved in this connection, third party situation. Right now, your person feeling overburdened. Ten of Wands energy. And waiting mode. Yeah, I think there is a lot of waiting period I'm seeing here. Maybe they are waiting for right time to approach you, but there is some communication and text. I think you will get clarity from your person and through communication. I'm seeing that they're scared, but they're missing you and they're feeling overburdened. They're realizing your worth, Gemini, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, they are realizing your worth and they are scared for rejection also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they want passionate new beginnings with you. They do love you. Ace of Cups is here, and under the deck, the Fool. They want to take leap of faith and they want brand new beginnings with you. And yes, they still attracted to you and they do love you. Ace of Cups is here, and they want brand new beginnings with you. New beginnings. They want new beginnings. They want to leave everything behind which had happened between both of you and want a fresh new start with you, Gemini. Yeah, communication text. For some children's also involved in this connection, and for some your person is amateur and you are undergoing some transformation. You are spiritually awakening and you are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation, Ten of Cups, and success in your work, and Ten of Cups in your relationship is coming, Gemini. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation, but it will take some time. Because right now your person thinking but they are feeling scared. Yes, Queen of Pentacles with the Strength card and Nine of Swords, definitely both are missing each other a lot and they are working on their strength. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Virgo or Leo. And Queen of Pentacles, you, I think right now for some you both are concentrating on your careers because it is a waiting period for some. I want one more clarification card for Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, right now you both are not talking with each other for some, but you both are thinking about each other a lot. You both are busy with your work, but still thinking about each other a lot. Yes, waiting period, Seven of Pentacles under the deck. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Religious factors, age difference, healing, yes. I feel so alone and I have too much going on my life. Communication is coming. So the messages are religious factors, for some affecting your love life, age difference. Yeah, for some maybe you both have age differences, and healing, definitely you both are undergoing some healing process, or for especially one person going through some healing process doing meditation and they feel so alone and they have too much going on their life and communication is coming. These are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Gemini. A new start is coming, new moon. And expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. Wow, two new moons. So definitely for some a new start is coming and expect powerful changes. Definitely there are some powerful changes are coming, especially in your life. It could be in your relationship or it could be in your life. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.